Hi guys, so I've just arrived where I'm going to pick this toolbox up today. Made slightly better time than I thought, so I've had a few minutes to just sort of relax and going to pick it up any minute now. So we'll do an unboxing video later on. Okay, so I've just got back from Banbury. I've not opened this toolbox yet. All I've got is one slightly grainy photo from Facebook. So let's see what I've got. Got a little Wesco push grease gun for a lathe, quite a handy little tool. Still in the packaging. Got a scale ruler, so that looks to have multiple scales on it. I've not seen one since I was in school. One in 20, one in 75, one in 25, one in 50, and one to 125. Cute little tool post holder, piece of fairly new carbide on it. Somebody's really taken the four-way tool post to heart, so it's got 3 tools mounted in it at the moment. Very nice. Eclipse number 230. V-block. Always nice to get the branded ones. Unbranded, I think, but it does appear to have a date, 1955, and that's the matching for the Eclipse 230. So I've got a matching pair, which is really nice. Digital calipers, carbon fibre composite ones, quite nice. There is a battery, but it hasn't gone rusty, thankfully. So I'll put battery in these later on, see if they work. Nice subtle cut-off tool holder. 5/8 parting tool holder, very nice. So, pair of scissors stamped from Mundal, Brazil, and they're described as Sarah Sharp. Little end grinding stone thing. I mean, you normally see that sort of size for a die grinder, but I've not seen a die grinder with that size shank for a while. Broken end mill, castle nut. It's interesting. Bottom of this box is magnetic. Oh no, it's the bottom of this tray, so that's a magnetic parts tray. What says that? Well, I say parts tray, they're actually from IKEA. Ooh. Okay, chuck keys and some just standard shank drills. Lots of chuck keys though, so that's quite nice. Absolutely filthy. Okay. So we've got quite a nice little ratcheting 1/4 inch drive and tool bit holder. This is a Draper one. I've got an unbranded one myself. They come in quite useful from time to time. Plaster saw. 8-foot, made in England. No other branding on it. So these are parts of a tap seat cutter. There's another part of it. The rest of it doesn't seem to be here. We'll have a look. and a little Nexus punch, made in England. It's a registered design. It's quite a useful little tool if you happen to need to punch things. What else have we got? 3/8 gas, so that'd be BSP, and a 1/2 inch BSP. That one's a 1948. Stamped with the double arrow for the broad arrow for the military. Little file set, something for digging your nails out. Hole punches. I'm guessing that one's out of set as well. And a little tap holder